Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Metro Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a Metro Bank online.co.uk and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Metro Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on login. Now here you can go with any of your account type, either personal banking or business and commercial banking. As I am going with a personal banking, you need to click on personal banking. Here at the login form page, you can go in for providing your 12-digit customer number or username and click on continue, where you can get logged into your online banking account of Metro Bank. As we are going to recover our password, you need to click on the link given, that is forgotten your password or security number. You need to click on it. Update your security details. Now here to reset your password, you can go in for clicking on reset your password. Then you go in for providing your 12-digit customer number or username. In case if you forgot your customer number, then you can go in for clicking the link forgotten your customer number. Then you go in for following the further instruction that has been provided. Once you fill up your customer number or the username, you click on continue, where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password. Similarly, in the username, you go back. Now here you need to click on the link given, that is forgotten your customer number or username. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to retrieve your username. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Metro Bank. Thank you.